Well,
Not yet, okay? Do you see that? You see them in there? There they are. Say hello.
Hiya.
Okay, just a second.
Hey,
You see that? How cute they are?
know.
Say hello.
Hold this one.
Say happy birthday. They were born yesterday.
Calm down.
That's right. Tell them to calm down.
Calm down. I'm the daddy, okay? Oh, God. Where are you?
No, don't put the balloon in there, okay? Did you see them poop?
Already?
Of course.
Oh my gosh.
So these are 1-day-old not magpie, oh my gosh, Muscovy ducks. Oh, have some food. I can see we're going to have some problems here. He's a jumper.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if it's a he or she. Not yet, at least. Let's see if they're going to eat.
How much food should I put in there?
Just a little bit more. We can give them more later. No, you don't want to hold them right now, okay? Nothing, honey. They're just funny when they start to run. They're curious, though. They're curious like chickens, too.
Hey, Mom, where's some chickens?
The chickens are outside.
Oh,
These are duckies.
duckies?
Mm-hmm.
But how did these duckies go?
They must see the dust.
Oh, that's they're trying to catch it.
Yeah, I think they're trying to catch the dust.
Let's practice for flies.
Yeah.
Good job.
Need some milk. Vicky, some milk.
Yeah, we'll get you some milk. Just a minute. Do you like the chickies?
Cheese.
Cheese. Do you like the ducks? I said
Mom.
chickies. What?
Mom,
Yes.
some milk.
Yes, you can have some milk.
Mom, maybe some milk.
Oh, I love it. That's right. That's what we got you for, to get flies. So practice with the dust. Okay? Oh, look at this one. So cute. Isn't this the jumper?
Mm-hmm.
Can't tell yet
Not
which
sure, because
one's
there's
the
another
male.
one with a kind of spot.
Muscovy males have a ridge on their head, but I don't know when that develops. Kind of like a mohawk. So I don't know if you can tell right away. Probably not. Oh, believe me, we're gonna have lots of flies for you. Lots and lots. They're jumping on each other. I wonder if they're cold. I shut the door.
I wonder if they back up to poop too.
Probably. They're like in the mosh pit, you know.
Fall backwards.
One of them's trying to fall asleep already.
Don't go into the light.
I get milk. I get milk. Which side is it? Mom?
What, honey?
Which side? This one?
Let me see. Yes. I'll give you some in that one. What do you want? Your milk? Yeah, I'll give it to you in there.
It's really cute.
Yes, they are very cute.
Hey, we can give him some milk.
This one likes a little. I'm gonna try.
Quiet, tiny bird. Quiet.
That's right. You tell them.
Shh, calm down. Calm down. Shh.
Calm down, tiny bird.
What? Okay. Give me some milk.
I will give you some milk, honey. Just a second. Be patient.
No. Make you some milk.
No, Vicky, I told you I will get you milk.